Hi everyone, ploughing again today. We have nearly finished the ploughing for the autumn drilling. It is the 6th of October today and I am just in the short ground of the last field. We didn't have a huge amount to plough, but you saw the first video I did of ploughing, so that was a lay, and there's this field now, and which is 8 acres, and there's a field that's just over, well, between 6 and 7 next door. So we're hoping to start drilling early part of next week. We've got some lime coming on Monday hopefully. This field I'm in now is alright, but the field next door needs lime, and the lay we ploughed the other day needs lime. It's nice to get the drone up again and take some shots of that. Not done that for a while. Yeah, it's unbelievable weather we're having at the moment. It's warm. It's 6 o'clock now and it's still 17 degrees. Didn't expect it to be this warm now at this time of year. So I probably won't finish this tonight now, but I'll plough out to the headlands and finish it off tomorrow morning, I would have thought. And then our plan is to roll and work over the 2 fields that are going to have lime spread on them, so it's smoother for the lime spreader, and the wheelings won't be so bad then to rip out. Awkward field, this one. I think I've mentioned it before in one of the other videos back in the spring. Like a ridiculous amount of corners. Just ploughing the headlands now. I've made a start, come across there, so over and back I've been, and here just on the angle of where the short ground is, I tend to plough it out first and then plough it back in. I have tried it on the ends going that way as well, but on the square ends I tend to not worry too much about it. Doesn't seem to make a massive amount of difference. Maybe in a lay it does, because it sort of turns all the turf up on top and then you sort of turn it back and it buries it again, but this is a corn stubble so I'm not too worried, and it's fairly level across there anyway. But here it definitely makes a difference turning it back in, and I'll put the camera up as I go down through here and you can sort of decide for yourself. Yeah, so this field now we're in is 8 acres, and fields, and obviously they weren't very big fields, but they're right by the yard, so they're probably handy sized fields, especially for like ploughing and stuff. The field over there, that there's a fence in between these two fields, and there's a lane in the middle. So that field over there, well, it certainly hasn't been ploughed in 80-85 years. We've grown rape in there, but sort of min-tilled it because of out-wintered cattle, and it was a bit of a mess. Thistles, docks, stinging nettles, so we're trying to clean it up, and it's not easy to clean up all those sort of weeds. So we were going to seed it out in the spring, and it was too dry, so we didn't bother. It grew a load of muck over the summer because we didn't keep it clean, and we've burnt it off with Roundup and ploughed that one yesterday, and it's looking a lot better. That was 2 fields originally, and as I say, it hasn't been ploughed for a long time, and my grandfather, who's passed away now, but he couldn't ever remember ploughing it. So yeah, so it's a long time. So now hopefully winter barley, and then we'll seed it out next year after winter barley. And I've got the seeds already, as I said, because we didn't put them in the spring, so they're no clover seeds, so it'll give us an opportunity to be able to spray out the weeds without hurting any clover. So yeah, so I'm going to go back up through here a minute, and I think I'll call it a night tonight and finish ploughing this in the morning. So thanks for watching, and I'll be back with another video soon.